in the morning, USA. This is a strange occurrence for USA Today. Since everybody at a certain time, their heads explode. No one knows when their time is. But at a random time, a lot of people's heads explode. Anywhere from 100 to 300 every minute. The world does not know what is happening or why, but all that we can guess is that God is punishing us. We do not know how God is doing this. If you are reading this, I recommend you say your last goodbyes to your loved ones and family. And God bless America. God bless United States. And my God. Crap. Turn off the recording. Turn off the recording right now.
Is your body